How to report fraud in Fifth Third bank account. First of all, if you notice any suspicious activity in your account, act quickly to protect your money and personal information. Next, open your browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Then, scroll down to the bottom of the home page and click on the security link to find important information about fraud and how to report it. After that, you will find the official phone number for reporting fraud. Just dial it and follow the instructions to report any unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity. You can also report fraud through your online mobile banking account. Log into your online banking account, go to the Messages or Customer Service section and select the option to report suspicious activity or fraud. If needed, visit your nearest Fifth Third Bank branch and speak to a representative in person for immediate help with fraud resolution. Lastly, review your recent account activity carefully and change your password or PINs to secure your account from further issues. And that's it. Now you know how to report fraud in Fifth Third Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.